My name is Rupa Bose, and I'm here to speak on behalf of the San Francisco Forest Alliance. I'd like to start by saying that we support this project, and we would like to see a lot of these improvements being made in Glen Canyon. But having said that, we are very concerned and rather shocked by the number of trees that are going to be affected. I would like to say two things about this. One is that the number of trees seems to be very high, and secondly, that the criteria for the removal seems not to be related to whether they're hazardous or whether they're actually in the way of the project, but another criterion altogether, which is poor suitability, a sort of a grab bag of various criteria. Just to give it, also I would like to talk to the transparency of the process. A lot of community meetings have been mentioned, and they were held, and various people associated with our group were at many of them. The understanding we had was that, those trees that were just referred to next to the tennis court, those would be the ones to go. Let me put up a picture from, I think this is the final report on the community meeting. Okay, the areas outlined in white, those are the trees that were referred to next to the tennis court, which are likely to go. I'll put up one other. This was, again, from the community meetings, and it shows the project space that was discussed at the community meetings. This map, let me see if I can fit it in. This map is something that our group has developed from the bid papers and from sunshining the report of the hired arborist. And all those circles are trees that are going to be removed. The red circles are the trees that will be removed because of poor suitability. There's one hazardous tree in this whole lot. The green circles are the trees that will be removed because of project impact. So this is what our concern is. We don't know how many trees are going to be removed. We don't know what the cumulative impact will be when all the projects planned for Glen Canyon are completed, the trails and the natural areas program. It looks like it's going to impact hundreds of trees, but we don't know how many, despite the fact that we have been trying to dig through the data to the best of our ability. So what we would like is for the tree cutting portion of this project to be suspended until it's properly reviewed and discussed with the public. Thank you.
Thank you.
I would like to provide letters and maps for them.